October 26th, the New York Society of Model Engineers hosted a Halloween event. It was called Ghost Trains at New York Society, and we created a new lighting system for the layout. We had blue floodlights flooding the back section of the O-scale layout, and we decorated it with skeletons and ghosts, and it was a lot of fun for the young ones. They could seek out the skeletons, and it was fun to create a night scene for the O-scale layout. You can see some of the trains running, and we had some projection on the trains, and one of the trains was the so-called ghost train, which was a New York and New England, the white train, people referred to it as the ghost train. It ran at night between New York and Boston, but we were running all different trains at night. It was a fun event. The kids really enjoyed it. As you see, we had a Beetlejuice sign, like the sign in the Beetlejuice movie on the model town that the Alec Baldwin character was making. Thought that was a fun addition. Here you can see we kept one side of the layout daytime lit, and the other side looked like nighttime. We had a graveyard in the freight yard, and there's the ghost train, the all-white cars of the New York and New England white train. Ran in the 1890s. We were also running freight, or fright, it being a Halloween layout. The scenery looked great at night. You can see the ghost train running through. This was the first deviation from our normal winter and spring shows. We just wanted to try some variety, maybe have some more people showing up to our shows. This being the first one, we didn't get too many people, but hopefully word of mouth. I think people who did go enjoyed it, so that was nice. Yeah, this was a big difference in the atmosphere from our normal shows, but hopefully it was different enough that people will remember and see it differently when they come back in the winter or the spring show. And it was good to have some variety and change. Hopefully it was appreciated. We even had some members say that they didn't know that some of these buildings were lit. I think we're planning to add some more lit buildings, and maybe next year if we do decide to do this again, we'll have we'll have some more lit scenery. We can have some night scenes. It was nice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any comments, please leave them, and I'll see you in the next video.